Want to create and manage unlimited Gmail accounts without phone verification? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that using a powerful tool called GPM Login. Let's get started. GPM Login is an anti-detect browser that allows you to create and manage multiple browser profiles. Each profile acts like a completely separate virtual machine, perfect for creating multiple Gmail accounts without being detected by Google. If you want lifetime access to this tool with unlimited profiles for just $60, contact me now. The deal is limited. Start by creating a new profile inside GPM Login. Make sure to name it in order so you can manage them easily later. Each profile is completely isolated, so Google won't know you're using the same computer. Step 1. Create a new browser profile. Open GPM Login. Click Create New Profile. Name the profile, e.g. Gmail01, Gmail02. Choose operating system and browser type. Step 2. Set up a private proxy. Next, assign a dedicated proxy to each profile. This masks your real IP and simulates access from different locations. Important: use private proxies and don't reuse the same IP twice to avoid detection. Go to the Proxy tab. Enter IP, port, username, password. Click Test Proxy. Wait for success message. Step 3. Launch profile and register Gmail. Now launch your profile and visit the Gmail sign-up page. Enter your details manually: full name, birth date, username, password, and recovery email. Important: type everything manually. Avoid copy-paste to prevent Google's detection systems from flagging your input. Click Start to launch the browser. Go to https accounts.google.com sign up. Fill in the form: name, birth date, gender, create Gmail username, password, add, recovery email, skip the phone number if not required. To make your Gmail account look like it belongs to a real user, here's what you should do next. Add a profile picture to your Google account. Register a YouTube channel. This adds credibility and natural user activity. You can also use this Gmail to sign up on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest. The more natural activity your account has, the less likely it is to get flagged. And that's how you create Gmail accounts without phone verification using GPM Login. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you'd like a tutorial on how to manage mass Gmail accounts, warm them up, or start affiliate marketing with zero capital. If you want lifetime access to this tool with unlimited profiles for just $60, contact me now. The deal is limited. If you want lifetime access to this tool with unlimited profiles for just $60, contact me now. The deal is limited. If you want lifetime access to this tool with unlimited profiles for just $60, contact me now. The deal is limited. If you want lifetime access to this tool with unlimited profiles for just $60, contact me now. The deal is limited. If you want lifetime access to this tool with unlimited profiles for just $60, contact me now. The deal is limited.